Hey everyone, my name is Martinez Reda and welcome to my video of video recorder. So today I am doing sewing today. For starter, I had to make sure take these yarn, take this one, a color. It's about flavor, it's about what color you choose to make sure which one you need, to make sure you need everything. So here I got all this to make sure I have like brown or white or well I'm using matching black thing. So here we go. I know how to use this. Not my mom. She doesn't know how to use it. She need to get to her sewing machine and need to learn how to sew. First first these yarn I'll help can't see but you can see it. Okay. First up I'm gonna do this. Second one I'm doing this. Down. First, I'm gonna take this out. And second, I'm gonna put right this. And to make sure you see this yarn? Look at this. They're right up. Look at this. Oh my god. You know what this means? If you right up it, you are right out of yarn. Which means you got no more. First, okay, you're gonna ask me, is this brushing to help us to clean? And check it out. I got the brush. Watch this. Watch. Oh, what? Two things. And I'm gonna take this. And they have sewing machine way together. The 90, the 80, and the 70. It's super old, but this one they correct. Combine them for the 70 and the 89 to respect their. Oh my gosh. Yikes. Ah. I take these yarn out so I can make sure. Second, I'm gonna take these yarn to put here. Like this. See? First, you're gonna put here and lock them though. First, well, I can't show you, but here we go. Okay, hold on. First, I'm gonna do it. I don't have like whoop whoop like. And we're back. Okay, now it's over there. This. Oops. Hold on, I'll cut this thing off. You see it? Oh, you can't see it. See? See it? It will help it restore everything you need to make sure you lost play. I'm gonna go slowly. Well, I need hot glue because I think it's fine. Anyway, I'll be back when it's finished, okay? Okay, bye.